which indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration, power sun moonroof. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Civic, Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, hands-free communication. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.